I love just being myself and being on this channel and like being able to express myself. So thank you guys for giving me this platform. Thank you guys for being supportive. I really appreciate it. Hey guys, okay, today is Monday, April 8th. Monday, April 8th, we're doing my video a day. I just want to preface this video by saying I'm almost 1,000 videos now on YouTube, and yet I still not mastered the ability to frame myself and not cut off my head. So it's good to be humbled. I'm still learning. So please enjoy this video I just filmed for you where you can't see half of my head. Mwah. I love you guys. Hello. Oops. I feel like I keep changing this setup and this seat and this whole area, and I can't find the right one that works. Anyway, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholique. Today we're doing a quick channel update of everything that's coming, and also trying to keep in with my daily vlogs, which Monday, April 8th, video a day, diary vlog, daily videos, daily TikToks, daily YouTubes. I know I missed one day, but I feel like I did pretty good for my first week in terms of like getting out one a day. I am just me update, life update, channel update, okay? So that's what you're interested in. Please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing. Keep on watching, okay? So, few things. Uno, me update. I'm traveling soon, so I'm going to try to, like I said, I'm going to try, first update. It's been a week, but I feel like I'm trying to keep with this, posting a video a day. I am traveling soon, so I will I'm going to be maybe posting some older content, but I want to get it all out because I still feel like a lot of it is still good and valuable. Some of its stuff is wear and tear, comparisons, things that I haven't posted that I said I was going to post. Other things, unboxings from a while ago. Some of them are returns, things I've returned. Some of them are comparing things. Some of them are begging about my Birkin still, which I already got now. So those I won't post, but like there's stuff in those videos that I could use. So I might post a version of it. Anyway, I want to get through all this content out and out of my phone, out of my computer, get it all out, post it all out, and be done so that when I get back, May, June, we're gonna be new content every day. It probably won't be every day new content, but it'll be like, I'm gonna get to a set schedule like 3 times a week and stick to it instead of doing this like wish-wash, posting and then not posting a couple of times and then posting not for weeks. And then whatever, like I'm gonna get on a set schedule and I'm gonna give that to you guys. And then I'm also going to create the membership tier, and I'm going to give you an update on both of the giveaways, and I'm going to make it more streamlined and easy. Instead of comments and stuff like that, I'm going to make it very just, it's like you apply and you're in. So I will explain that in a separate video because I think that that's just easier overall instead of doing the comments and likes and shares and that kind of thing. But please continue to still comment, like, and share. I appreciate all the love and support. I really, really do. Next 2-3 weeks are going to be posting old videos, and then I'm traveling, and then I'm posting old videos while I'm traveling too. So that's how it's going to work until I'm out of all those videos. Then I will start posting new content. Then I'll start filming new content with a structured thing, and I'll answer questions. If you guys have specific content you want to see, let me know in the comments below here so that I can start planning those videos. I have a list of all these videos that I want to film, but I also will take suggestions and stuff like that. I have a bunch of other videos that I need to, like, that I just need to get, I need to get more organized, this whole thing basically, so that I can approach it better. Secondly, TikTok, same thing, posting it, a video a day. Please go follow me there, and I'm going to post as much as I can on the shorts too, but follow me on TikTok, follow me on here. I would love the support. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to be posting there every day too. In addition to that, with my life update kind of thing, I'm going to be posting my daily vlogs, my affirmations, my gratitudes, my things that are doing for me, my sobriety and stuff like that. And also, I still haven't got my 4-year sobriety visit because now I'm thinking, well, I'm still going to get it, I think, but I'm restarting my sobriety again in terms of like my day count and stuff because of my program and my new sponsor who's saying that I'm really just dry and not a drinker, but not sober in terms of sobriety program. So that's a whole other thing. So I'm gonna restart my day count, but I'm still gonna get my 4-year one because I have not drank in 4 years. So that's for me. But I might start a new whole thing with my sobriety and my new sobriety date, which is going to be whatever today or whenever we actually start it, sometime in April. So that's that. May or may not be also moving out of the country. We'll see for a little bit, like temporarily moving, but we'll see. So that's a whole other thing. So there's that life update, channel update. And yeah, so today's video is literally just going to be this because I wanted to get this out there and explain it. So the next couple of videos, you understand why I'm posting what I'm posting. Oh, life update also. I'm entering into some new career stuff. So that's kind of exciting. I'm kind of moving away from entertainment and from casting and maybe even from acting. I haven't decided yet about acting, but I'm moving into a different space. So once I get more confirmation, once I figure that out, I will let you guys know. But that's really exciting for me too. And also we're moving into this content creator era where I'm gonna do this full time and make this my full-time thing. Not do this full time, that's wrong. I'm gonna make this more a priority and make this more of a career but I have another career I'm also focusing on. So career, but maybe no longer casting. We'll see. I don't know. I will miss it. And I'm also very indecisive, and I'm also very flippant. And this is just how I feel right now. So who knows what will happen? I have four goyard bags to unbox that are sitting literally right here that just came in from, they actually came in from abroad. So, but I think I'll just unbox those on TikTok because I feel like unboxing another set of these on this channel is like so saturated and it's the same stuff and it's not even for me. So it doesn't really matter. Half the stuff I unbox is not even more than half, I feel like at this point. No, maybe like a good half. Anyway, I have stuff right here. Like I have this Saint Laurent thing. I have this Tom Ford thing right here, literally, that I have not opened because I wanted to film the unboxing, which is getting a little crazy because like I should just open and use it. And this too, like I wanted to film the unboxing. It's just like a mug. It's literally just like a, here, I'm unboxing it now. Because I wanted to unbox it on TikTok or whatever. It's a Saint Laurent mug. It was like $50. And now I'm gonna pack it back up so that I can film it to unbox it on TikTok. It is a little crazy, but I'm a little crazy. It's okay. And this was a shirt I got on sale. And I just got it because it was on sale because I went to tomford.com and they had it on sale. So then I just went to the store and bought it. It's literally an undershirt, but it was like $60 or $70 or $80. And I thought that was a steal of a deal, even though really, is it? No. But I wanted to unbox it on TikTok. So I'm going to unbox it on TikTok. So you didn't see this here. You're going to wait for me to unbox it there. Okay, enough of that. So stay tuned for some more videos. We're going to have some great content. It may be a little dated, but it's going to be great because I think there's still a lot of good stuff in there that I want to talk about and that I want to share. And it's already filmed and it's already there. If it's not usable, I will just refilm it, but a lot of it is filmed and I just want to use it. So I'm going to crank it out. Get ready for the next couple of weeks of cranked out content every day. I'm trying to hold myself accountable. Like I said, last week I did 6 out of 7 days, which I think is pretty good for me. Today we're going to try to do, this week we're going to try to do 6 out of 7 or beat it to 7 out of 7. But 6 out of 7 or 5 out of 7 I'm okay with. So this is day 1 of week 2, okay? Also been really good about getting back into my routine, self-love, self-care, self-care, working out, all those kind of things. So I'm just really on a good path right now and I want to keep going. So we're going to keep it going with posting the videos too because I think it does really help. Okay, so that's all I got. And I will see you guys in the next one. And thank you guys for watching and being part of my life and my channel and being so supportive. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for being so supportive. I just hit 2,000 a while ago. I hit 2,000 followers. So just crazy because a year ago I was at 1,000 and a year before that I was at like 100. So growing steadily but surely, 1,000 a year is great. It's crazy because I didn't think I would be here, but I want to keep pushing forward. I want to kind of grow a little bit stronger and faster, more exponentially. But if we go 1,000 a year, slow and steady, 1,000 strong, I feel really good about that. 2,000 strong of people that are like my community, my people, and you guys are there for me, and I appreciate you all. And so anyway, we're going to continue. I'm glad I'm here. I appreciate you all, and this is just so much fun. I love doing these videos. I love making these videos. I love talking to camera. I love talking about this stuff. And I love just being myself and being on this channel and like being able to express myself. So thank you guys for giving me this platform. Thank you guys for being supportive. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to continue to do it and I'm going to continue to do it. So thank you. All right, that's all I got. So this is also a thank you video. Okay. All right, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm assuming you're all subscribed, but if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and your exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. You guys are the best. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Old me will see you tomorrow. Bye.